Hey guys, it's me again, Miss Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classic Creations, coming to you with another DIY tutorial. I am working on a unicorn party for my granddaughter for this weekend actually, and I wanted to share a few little things with you guys. So stay tuned for more videos after this one. But today I'm going to be doing the Willow sash for her chair. So I'm going to be putting to good use some stuff that I found at the Dollar Tree. So guys, I want you to stay tuned. Again, I want to say thank you to all of the new subscribers. This would not be possible without you guys. So thank you so very much. I thank you all for all of your comments. I am so sorry that it's been so long since I've done a DIY tutorial, but I hope you guys will enjoy it. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Love to hear from you guys. Thank you. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is because this is a kids party, I'm using these plastic tablecloths from the Dollar Tree. And I also found some at Walmart that I like, so I'm going to be using those. I am going to be using, of course, my lovely scissors, safety pins, this little tray I picked up from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be using this because we need the circle. And remember those unicorn headbands that I found at the Dollar Tree? Well, I racked up on all of them, and I'm going to be using them in this tutorial. So let's get started. So let's take this off. So the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to get your paper tablecloth. Sorry. Had a loss of words right there. Get your tablecloth. And I'm just going to keep it folded the way that's already folded. And then I'll place my plate on top of that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace around this to get my circle as soon as I can find my pen. Okay. So I'm going to trace around this to get my circle. And don't worry about the scalloped edges. It really doesn't matter in this case. And then I'm going to get my scissors. And I'm just going to cut that out. And the nice thing about this, guys, is it does not have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. You're just cutting it out because you want to have that circle shape. There you go. So when you cut this out, there's about four pieces here because it was folded. So you got about 4 pieces here. Now what you're going to do is, and some people will actually draw this on here, it's pretty much you're just going to be going in a circle around the edge continuing all the way in until you hit the center. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on that so you guys can see kind of what I'm talking about. And again, does not have to be perfect, because once you're done with it, it's still going to come out the way that you want it to come out. And guys, this is so much easier to do with plastic tablecloth than it is to do with cloth. But even so, it would be the same concept. So again, continue all the way around until you reach the center. Okay. So now I'm just taking this apart. And there you go. So now you want to take a piece of ribbon or a piece of string, anything of that sort. And I have this tool that I was using. I'm just going to cut a little strip of that off. I'm going to take it here at the top, even it out, and then I'm going to tie that up. Because I'm making 3 different colors, and I'm going to add them all 3 together to add to the chair. So I'm going to work on the next colors, and then I'll be back to show you guys what they all look like. Okay. So, I have them all 3 colors cut out. And this is what they look like. And all I did was tie them all together at the top here. So we'll put that aside. And now I want to work on my sash for the chair. So the color that I'm going to be using for this chair is going to be pink. So basically I'm just going to cut this out. So it's already folded. And then there's this crease here. That's where I'm going to cut it at, because that's the width that I want. Okay. So now I just unfold that. this is my sash. So in the back here, I'll measure just enough that I can fold those over. Okay. And you want to pull it tight. You want to fold it. And then fold it again. And then I'll take my glue gun. I'm just going to glue that together. Because we're not going to be using these anymore, so we'll just glue that together. There you go. So now, I'll take my sash, and I'll take my headband, and I'm going to take this and pin it to the back of my headband. Okay? Okay? So we got that pin. And now, I'm going to pin to the sash. And this may take a little doing to try to get it right. This may take a little trial and error. Sorry for doing wrong. cover up the there. Now, it took some trial and error, but we got it. There you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Took a little longer than I expected because it didn't want to work out right. But again, please subscribe, share, comments. Love to hear your comments. Love to hear your feedback. Because I'm not a professional by any means, and I love to get your feedback so that I can know what I need to improve on professionally as well as during these YouTube videos. So thank you again, and I'll see you next time with the next DIY tutorial.